What's up, guys? Welcome back for another video and a view into Huck's World. And today we got SMZ back in the building again with another awesome watch face for us to review. And this guy is giving away 5 different watch faces, but we're giving away more than 5 watch face codes. Now, we're only going to review one watch face because they're all pretty much similar and alike. We're going to break it down for you before the video ends, but we also are only giving watch face codes away for the US, Canada, and the UK this time. So if you want an opportunity to win, make sure you comment in the comment section down below. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and let's kick off this review. Now, the name of the watch face is called Act7 CCW. My man SMZ really got down on this watch face. I thought he did an excellent job on the design and the layout of all the information within this watch face. So I got to give him 3 thumbs up in the door. Now, looking at it in the AOD mode, for the Gears 3, you are going to get a black and white theme. Going to get the same design, the same info. But for the Gears 2, it's going to look slightly different, but you'll still be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, once the watch face is on, if you look at the top, you will get the name of the watch face. You come down, you get your month, you get your day of the week, you get the year. And also, if you look to the left, I like this look here. You got the date in its own dial. Same thing with your animated seconds. You will get information on calories burned, your floors climbed, your heart rate. You get a nice PM stamp. I'm loving the font on this one. Big, bold digital time. You come down, you get your step percentage so far as your goal completed and your steps. And come down a little bit further, you get information on your miles walked around and your speed. Now, I thought he did really nice, and he always packs a lot within his watch faces. So if I tap on the weather, I get my weather information. You can see it's still cold here. I get my calendar. You come down. You can also go into your settings. This is definitely a good look for a watch face so far as convenience is concerned. And if I tap here, I can set a favorite. I get a couple of places to do that. Do it here too as well, and I thought that was pretty cool for him to add that as well. Now, here's what's really slick about the watch face that I really like. If I tap here, single tap, I can pull up the information for my calories burned, floors climbed, heart rate, step information, miles walked around. This is super slick. Now, if I double tap right here, I can customize the color theme of the watch face to however I see fit for whatever it is that I'm wearing for that day. My man SMZ always packs it in within his watch faces. But at the end of the day, people, it is all about you and what you thought. Hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know your thoughts on this one. And here are the other watch faces that you have an opportunity to win. Now, number 2 is going to be CC. That's pretty much just your color change. It's going to have the same features and functions. Matter of fact, all the watch faces are going to have the same features and functions, just slightly different. Now, the third one is going to be CC2. That's going to have a charcoal look to it. And also CCR is going to be for the right-handed person, and CCL is going to be for your left-handed person. Again, they have all the same features and functions and the design. All right, you all, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, and by all means, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.